Hello and welcome back to Street Talk. I'm your host Mheshimiwa Bendawa. Thank you for staying with us. This is awesome. In Street Talk, we talk much more about what is happening in our society on a day-to-day basis. We also support talents here. We also talk about politics. And for today's show, I have a guest who will be sharing with us more about youth groups and how many youth groups can one maybe have in our country, and how useful are these groups. So please help me welcome my brother here. He's Boniface Kagacha, youth leader. He's also a leader of YBA, Young Bacon Association, popularly known as Kariede. He'll be telling us more about these youth groups. So stay with us. Welcome to this show.
Thank you very much, Mheshimiwa Bendawa.
Yes.
I'm exceedingly humbled and profoundly honored to be with you today. First of all, I'll start by citing some of the benefits of being united.
Just before we go to the benefits, what's the process of getting to these youth groups?
Okay, thank you very much. Once you want to start a youth group, first of all, there's something we call organization. We as young people, we are so much disorganized in our society.
Yeah.
But one thing we should know is that if we want to live big from our society, if we want to get benefits from the government, we must be united for a common front. And one of the ways that the young people in our republic can only unite is through using and forming youth groups so that we can access the government benefits. For instance, if one wants to start a youth group for the border people, for the people back in Mashinani, the young people, you must be united in a team of more than 10 people. You cannot register when you are less. First of all, once you register, the cost of registering, it ranges from 1,000 to 2,000. This is a very, very small amount of money considered the benefit that you access from the county government and from the government itself. And what we have done so far as Mheshimiwa you have said, I'm the YBA Young Bacon Association Chairman, Youth Chairman National. And in one of our main agenda is to unite the young people across the nation with one main motive, which is it. Our main motive is to ensure that people are united, they will access government benefits, they will access funds from the Ministry of Youth and Gender Affairs, they will access money from county governments. But one thing people should realize, government does not consider individuals. Government considers a team of people who are united with a common front.
Thank you. Just before we talk about more about the benefits, would you kindly tell us more about the process? So many people quit just because the process is too long.
One, the process of registering a youth group is very simple.
Where do I start?
Now you do this way. If you are the association leader, if you are the youth leader now, if you want to register your team, organize a team of 10. From there, ensure that you get around 1,000 to 2,000 just shillings. Hata kama mtashikana when you are 10, you contribute 100. Ensure you have 1,000 to 1,000. Then from there, proceed to the county government, the Huduma Center. They have that service desk.
Can I do it online, or do I have to take myself to Huduma Center?
One of the benefits of going to Huduma Center is it's free of charge. You know, some of us, we as young people, even accessing bundles is not a joke.
True.
Yes, you can visit the website, the government website, they offer these services for free, but you have to incur the bundles. For those who say that it is hard to get bundles, we advise, visit the Huduma Center, you'll be guided, the desk is there, and within few weeks, it will be ready. Another thing, we as the Young Bacon Association, we are a national movement which is in 5 counties so far. And at us, we have assisted more than 105.
Just before you come to that point, where did you start? Where did you start as this group, YBA? Where did you start? Like, did you start in Meru, Murang'a, Kiambu, Nairobi? Now you are all over the country.
That's a good question, Mheshimiwa Bendawa. Because everything that seems big has a beginning. And I would like to say this. Young Bacon Association started as a network. It has its origin from Nairobi. Because being a metropolitan city, we have all the tribes here. We were meeting before in hotels. We could discuss about the way forward of the young people of this nation. We could discuss about the youth groups. But later we realized we want something which is big that can accommodate all the youths across the nation. That's how we came with an idea of registering. And to make it funny, the first day that we sat on our table, we said that we wanted our political party. But one of us in our ministry said, it is not time. First of all, we want to empower our people so that they can get empowered, and from there we can proceed into leadership. First of all, they cited another thing. In our society, people need more of enlightenment. People need more of information than power.
True.
And we say, nice and good. Let us first of all help our people to understand where they are, where they are going, and where they feel they want to be.
So the main, what was your main motive or the main objective of starting that group?
Thank you. Our main motive is to be the voice of the young people across the nation, irrespective of where you come from, irrespective of the tribe, irrespective of the race.
Mm-hmm.
We say, let us come together so that we can nurture young leaders.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, we may not have resources today, but we have the information and the unity. And I can tell you, I'm very sincere of this. So far we are in 35 counties. With no resources, we have used social media and networking and friendship to reach every part of this nation.
So what are some of the benefits of joining such kind of a group?
One of the benefits...
Is it just a waste of time? So many youth are complaining that they are not working. Even if they go and apply for those loans, the thing is not working.
Thank you very much. That's a very good question. And I know everybody will...
Please address my viewers here so that they can understand.
Okay, thank you very much. What I would like to say is that, thank you very much for that question. One of the benefits of joining Young Bacons Association is that, one, all those youth groups that are registered under YBE, all those youths that have ideas and innovations that can create employment in the Republic of Kenya, we are assisting them to access government funds. We are coming together, we are helping one another to get resources on how to start small-scale businesses. Another thing, Mheshimiwa, is that we realized we might have a small association in West Pokot. We might have a youth group in Kilifi and Lamu. But these people are so interior that they cannot access their way to Nairobi. We have our office in Dono. Every day we are making sure we are hosting youth groups. We are hosting youth from across Kenya. They come with what they want to do on the ground. And then from there we sit on our table. If you want this, what you are lacking are resources. Let us lobby for resources in the team.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Kagacha. Would you guys tell us more about the challenges as a co-founder of YBA? Someone else is trying to venture into those groups. What are some of the challenges that they will go through? Maybe some people quit. Don't know.
Thank you very much. I would like thank you very much for that question. And I cannot hide this, that one of the main challenges as far as forming an association and a movement of young people is concerned is that people think that you want to scam them. People think that you are not genuine. People think that you want to use them as a lambda to whatever you want to be. But I'm telling you for this, as far as we are not united in this nation, we have one baseline, one of us is young people. We lack resources. We lack unity. It is the highest time we unite for this. We have traveled to Trans Nzoia County. Simply because I cannot speak the language of people from Trans Nzoia, they cannot believe that I mean well for people of Trans Nzoia. This is a gap that we want to fix. Because we say, irrespective of where we come from, irrespective of the county, irrespective of the boundaries, we must form a team. We are Team Kenya, we are one nation, and we must realize, let us join hands. That is one of our main challenges. People may be believing that we are not genuine. But now we have our office. Those who feel that we are not genuine, they are coming to our office. We sit on them on our table, we ask them, what do you want? This is what we can offer. After some time you feel, yes, this is home. And that's how we have been able to transfer. We have more than 20,000 people on board in Young Bacons Association. Many people are not believing this. But you are telling them, come test us. Come be part of us and see what we are capable of.
Thank you. That was his time, Kagacha. Thank you. This is Street Talk. Before I give him his final remarks, thank you once again for coming. Thank you for showing up. I think my viewers now are well enlightened and they will go for those youth groups na wataanza na wataendelea. So I know you are a political leader, na singepita hapa bila kukuuliza, what's your take on BBI as far as youth and youth groups are concerned? Are youth benefiting from this kind of movement?
Okay, I would like to say this. BBI is a wider book.
Have you read it?
I have gone through BBI. I have read it, but I would like to say this: I'm yet to complete reading BBI.
The fact that you have gone.
However, as far as I'm a youth of this nation, I started first by picking the points that concern me. As the youth leader, as the chairman of Young People Association, an association that deals with the welfare of the young people. And I would like to touch on 3 major things. That, yes, we saw that the government is offering a longer period for the graduates to pay help money. But
4 years.
4 years.
Yeah.
But my concern is, if the government is giving 4 years, it means they have something they know that for a graduate to get employment within this 4 years period, it means there's something that we are not understanding. And I feel, if they had a genuine reason of extending the period, they could have given us 2 years or 1 year. And by that we could have realized that they have a good plan. Every graduate who comes out of this institution will get a job within this period of time. But now, from a romantic point of viewing the things, we are very sure that the graduates will spend at least 4 years before they get it.
Does that mean there's no jobs in our current economy in Kenya?
Definitely. You know, when we are talking as young people, we must say the truth. We are struggling here outside. And that's the reason, and one of the main reasons as to why we formed YBA is to bring young people together. Because getting a job is not a joke. Graduates are crying. Yesterday and last week, I saw a graduate from Katina University who scored an A plane, who pursued biochemistry and got a first class honor. But he is stomaching. What does that tell me?
Mr. Boniface, Kagacha, what's your final remarks? Stop about BBI things. Your final remarks to your people.
My final remarks is that young people, we must think and think twice again. We must join hands together irrespective of our situation. Today you might be employed temporarily, but you don't know tomorrow where you'll be. Today you might be hailing from Tanzania, from Kisumu, from Central Kenya, but the fact remains we must join hands. FIDA as Young Beacons Association, we have the solution. Not the solution of inciting young people, but the solution of telling young people the truth. That we are one Kenya, we are one people, and we must join hands. Find us on Young Beacons Association 21@gmail.com. Find us in YouTube, find us in Twitter, find us in Facebook, Young Beacons Association. Thank you very much, Mheshimiwa Bendawa. I'm so happy.
Welcome. Na atakuja hapa tena mara mingi. So that was his time. Welcome back again. Na tutakuhost tena. Tunataka hiyo wisdom yako. So guys, subscribe. Bia rafiki yako wa subscribe. Hapa ni Street Talk. I'm your host Mheshimiwa Bendawa. Thank you.